Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to recover cPanel username and password. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to reset your cPanel password. So there is actually three methods. Method 1 via the cPanel login page. Enter your cPanel's URL in a browser. Within your cPanel's login page, click the Reset Password link. On the next page, enter your cPanel username. Once done, click the Reset Password button. Enter your sign up email address, then click the Send Security Code button. Check your email account and take note of the security code. On the login page, enter your security code and then click Submit. Provide your new password as you can see, guys. Once you confirm your new password, click Set Password. A successful notification will be displayed on the next page. Next, click Log in to cPanel. Enter your cPanel username and new password to access your cPanel. Method 2 via cPanel. The first step is click the user menu icon located in the top right corner of cPanel. Select password and security from options. Enter your old cPanel password. And after that, enter a new password twice. You may also use the password generator feature to create a secure password. Once done, click the Change Your Password Now button. Tips for creating secure passwords are also seen in this section, as you can see guys right here in the picture. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.